I came across the Winx Wheel Disc Lock Alarm Pro and wanted to check out, is this product worth it, and is it an option for those of you that don't have an audio alarm for your bike? So hang out and let's go evaluate this disc lock alarm. Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. Really appreciate it. If you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button, and we'd love to have you a member of the nation. Okay, let's get into today's video. And what I'm going to go over today is this disc lock alarm by Winx Wheels. Winx Wheels did not send this to me. I bought it. And I really bought it because I was thinking of my grandson who has his new bike. It doesn't have an audio alarm system. In fact, it doesn't have an alarm system of any kind. And I thought, you know, that's kind of sad because I know he wants to ride it and go places, but you really don't want to feel comfortable leaving it. So I thought this disc alarm would be a great option to potentially give him a little peace of mind and hopefully prevent anybody from stealing it. So I thought, let's see how this compares and how it works and how loud it is. And if you're thinking about it, maybe it's something you'd be interested in. So this is what comes in the packet. You've got your Allen wrench. This is a reminder strap, which I have one of these even on our Harleys. You have the system with the alarm, and you have 2 keys. Now, you're going to look at these keys and go, oh, those are those standard keys. No, each one is cut to only work with this alarm. So you get 2. So make sure if you get this, put one away someplace safe, in a safe somewhere so you don't miss that. Otherwise, you'll have to order back from Winx to get that new key. You're asking, how loud can this be? Well, if that alarm goes off, it can be anywhere from 100 decibels to 110 decibels. So we're talking loud. Okay, we're going to try this on my bike and see how it functions and go from there. This is going to be really loud, so when we get to that point, I'll give you a warning. All right, let's see how it goes. So a couple of the features are, like I said, this goes to 100 to 110 decibels. It's waterproof, it is durable, and it's got a replaceable battery. So if it starts to go low, you can get the battery replaced. So let's check this out on my bike and see how loud it gets. Okay, let's see how the install goes now. So let's go ahead and latch it on. It'll give us 1 beep. Here's the warning for the loud noise. There's the warning. Okay, that 3 beeps means that somebody has touched it, been around the bike, and it's kind of a warning to say, back off, buddy. Now, I didn't put the reminder strap on to my handlebars yet. I would suggest you do that first before you ever do this, because otherwise you're going to set the alarm off. So it's beeped to give us the warning. Now, warning, here comes the loud stuff. Okay, that disengages it when you undo it, but it will, the alarm will last for 10 seconds and then can only be disabled by the key to unlock it or by waiting out the 10-second duration. So it's going to go off for about 10 seconds to warn somebody. So if somebody comes by and accidentally kicks your bike, it's going to go off. I will tell you, for the price of one of these, I think it's pretty smart. It's not overly expensive. You've got the keys to be able to do this. If you don't have an alarm system for your bike, I think this is a great thing to buy, a great present to give a new rider or somebody you know. Personally, I think Winx Wheels and their disc alarm, pretty sweet. And like I said, they didn't send it to me. I bought it. This was an honest review. Well, hopefully this gives you a product that maybe solves some of your problems with not having an audio alarm for one of your bikes or for friends. It'd make a great gift. It wasn't that expensive. Thanks again so much for stopping by and hanging out. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to be a member of the nation, It's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.